Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1 and we'll ask you some questions and you have to answer. Yes.
Do you like science?
Well, I definitely I like it because this is the area of my interest, and I especially physics. I like physics, and in physics, I like machines. How do they work, and how the things are organized by the machine. So to answer your question, I'm interested in learning the science.
Okay, this is fantastic. Overall, it's good. You gave one sentence conclusion also. Physics is good. Otherwise, you can use the word science throughout your answer. Even that is fine.
Okay.
But your answer is perfectly okay. Next.
What kind of science did you do at school?
Well, at the time, it was when we were learning the biology. So at that time, our teacher, he taught us that how to check your blood pressure. So at that time, we were unfamiliar with that. So we learned that.
Okay, so to answer your question, such type of science-related activities we performed at school.
Yes.
Conclusion and linking your answer to the question. That is important.
Yes.
Do you think science classes are important?
Well, definitely, it is important.
They are important.
They are important.
He said science classes.
Absolutely. They are important for the students learning. Science help us, to be a technological person. As in this area, it is important to have knowledge about science because science.
Listen. You should be sure about your answer. Even you are unsure what to speak and all that.
Yes.
What's the question?
Do you think science classes are important?
Yes. Do you think science classes are important? You can say science classes are crucial for all the students for a number of different reasons. First of all, science tells us about. Secondly, science further trains us about. And finally, just like you can signpost your answer, and you should be clear. By the time you are unclear and you keep talking, your answer will go off the track. Okay. First two answers were really good, but you need to pay more attention to the question so that you could give appropriate answers.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Good
you.
job.